Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you the Blurry Then and Now Transition tutorial on CapCut. So what you need to do is start a new project and add your clips. Then click on the transition box, and here click on the overlay and then choose the Then and Now transition and set it to 0.4 seconds and click on apply to all. Go back and click on a check icon and then go to video effects, basic, and choose the halo blur effect. Then adjust the speed into 100 and just leave the intensity as it is. Click on the check icon, make it short, then place it to every beginning of the clips. So copy it like this, and now you are done. So here is the Blurry Then and Now transition for your edits. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and like this video, and also don't forget to click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.